Hello Windows 11 users. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to disable background apps in just 10 seconds, ensuring a smoother and more efficient experience on your PC. Let's dive in. Click the Windows button, pick the Settings icon, and then navigate to the left pane. Choose Applications, then click on Apps and Features on the right side. From there, click the three vertical dots next to the program you want and choose Advanced Options. But please be aware that the program does not permit controlling its background permissions if you do not have access to the advanced options. Afterwards, navigate to the Background Applications Permissions and choose Never from the drop-down menu for the Let this app run in background option. At this point, the background app functionality should be stopped. Make sure you click on System in the left pane of the right window after clicking the Windows button and choosing the Settings icon. Then select Power and Battery Settings. To expand battery usage, click on it. Then, under Background Usage per App, click the three vertical dots button and choose Manage Background Activity once more. If you don't see this option, your app doesn't support managing its permissions for background apps. After that, simply locate the background app's permissions and choose Never from the drop-down menu to prevent this app from running in the background. At this point, the background app functionality should be deactivated. After clicking the Windows button, type Group Edit into the search bar and choose the option to edit group policies. Then open the Group Policy Editor, navigate to the following locations: Computer Configuration Administrative Templates Windows component, and finally, App Privacy. Then, double-click the Let Windows Apps Run in the Background option in the right pane, making sure to select Disabled in the pop-up window. Finally, click Apply and OK to turn off your background apps. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.